So this is the pound yen analysis for Wednesday, 27th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen prices reject from in around the 146 60s. We've had prices head down towards the support in around that 144.78. Brief move up towards that 146, and we do appear to be, well, we've had a reduction in volatility here to the downside. We do appear to be having a bit of a slight bias trend to the downside here on the pound against the yen. So if we continue to hold support in around this 144.78, looking for a move back up to beyond the 145.11, which we are currently. So if we can hold the 145 level of support, we'll look to see if we can successfully navigate this 200 period moving average, from which we then look for price towards our 146. And if we can break and hold the 146, a move possibly up towards our 146.38 with added confidence to the 400 period moving average, which increases the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that 146.38 level. Now, if we do see a further continuation beyond 146.38, the very next level of note is all the way about 147.35. Similarly, if we do turn around from where we are at present and break beyond the 45 level, we'll look to see whether 144.78 holds the support, break from which we're looking for a move down towards at 144.36. And if we do see a breakdown from that 144.36, the very next level of note beyond the 144.36 is a move down towards at 143.19 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. We get the scale on here correct, and as we can see here, we have our highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs again. Do appear to be forming lower highs here, while we do have a low and a relatively higher low in relation to it. We do see from a daily chart perspective, these candles are pretty small, open to close, and we do have wicks to the upside and wicks to the downside. So just in a real battle between the bulls and bears. In light of the most recent trend, however, being to the downside, possibly suggests that there might be greater emphasis on sell side momentum at present. Our inability to push beyond the 400 period moving average here on the daily chart and close above it suggests that there is quite a lot of bearish momentum overhanging this market. So if we do see that fall through to the downside, possibly looking for the these previous most recent swing lows to be tested in around at 143.19 here on the pound against the yen. So while we do have the higher lows, these candles open to close are of concern. And with that said, that wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.